Idaho is an excellent place to form a new LLC. With a great cost of living and some of the best access to funding, Idaho ranks first in the country for entrepreneurship. Every state has slightly different requirements for forming an LLC. Follow along closely to learn the required steps for creating your own limited liability company in the state of Idaho. There are 2 ways to form an LLC in Idaho. You can form one yourself, or you could hire a service to do it for you. Today we will talk about the second option. The second option to form Idaho LLC is to hire a professional agency to do it for you. Hiring a professional service to file your forms and act as your registered agent for the LLC will cost you an additional $50 to $150. However, there are several benefits to working with a pro. A hired registered agent helps with getting your reports filed on time, helps you stay organized by keeping your business mail separate, and is available during regular business hours to accept official mail and legal papers on your LLC's behalf. A final and important additional benefit of using a service is privacy. A professional service will provide a level of privacy by withholding your personal name and home address from the LLC's contact information. There are many reasons why you might not want your personal information easily accessible and associated with your business. Hiring a professional LLC formation service is an easy way to accomplish this. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can go on and start an LLC with Northwest Registered Agent. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow along easily. Before we head over to the video, if you go ahead and use our affiliate link to create your LLC with Northwest, you'll be able to save 83% and pay just around $39 for the LLC formation. So, go ahead and make sure you check out the affiliate link in the description box below. So, now that's out of the way, we can open the official website right here at northwestregisteredagent.com. Inside, you'll be prompted to go to the official main menu. You'll be able to see different options right here: get registered agent, get a domain and website, and most importantly we are here for the third option, which is start an LLC. So, go ahead and click this option. Then, you'll see this page where you can select your state. We're going to choose Idaho LLC. After that, we'll be prompted to go to a menu right here. You have your business name, and there are also additional instructions on how to start an LLC in Idaho. If you scroll down, there are many more guides. You'll see guides on naming your LLC and descriptions on how to do this. Scrolling further down, you'll see the second option, which is to register your domain name. The third option is to submit Idaho LLC Article of Organization, the fourth is write LLC Operating Agreement, and more. You can keep reading this if you want, but once you've scrolled all the way down, I'll now continue showing the LLC formation process. Since this is a DIY process, you can create your own free account by this process while creating your own LLC. Now, in this section, you can type your business name here. For example, I'm going to type .fiction. And since you're creating an LLC, so click on the LLC option. I'm then going to go ahead and click Next. In this section, you'll need to select the principal address. The principal address is the main office from which a company primarily operates. Many people put their registered agent address here to keep their real address off the public record. To learn more, you can click on the icon. Here you can put your business address, or simply you can use Northwest's provided business address for your own privacy protection. Next, for the company's mailing address section, it is recommended to use Northwest's provided business address to keep your real address off the public record. Now, a registered agent is someone who takes care of the process and legal documents. I highly recommend using Northwest's provided registered agent service, which comes with all the perks like free limited mail forwarding, lifetime customer support, data privacy, and more. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the option and click on Next. Now, an organizer is a person who is authorized to submit the paperwork for filing the registration. Since Northwest includes this, why not use it? I'll now select the professional formation service and click Next. In this section, we'll need to create a free account. Just simply provide your name, email, and password to get started. I will provide some random information here just to show you guys how it's done. After that, your account will be created. And you can see your Northwest dashboard here. Now, you've come to your Northwest dashboard here. Then, just answer this question whether your business is member-managed or manager-managed. If you don't have a manager to make all your business decisions for you, just simply select on member-managed option and click on Continue. This part requires you to submit information about your business member. Since you are a member of your company, just establish a member account and then select it here. And, to keep your address confidential, simply Northwest's provided address, as it may become public. Now, you can see your registration process has been started. It's time to check the availability of your business name. Congrats! The name I used is available in the state of Idaho. Now, you can see all the information that has been filed by the Northwest registered agent. Looks really good to me. So I'll click on that. Now, to make the business filling process faster, you can simply upgrade the plan. But it will cost you $99. Since I don't need the upgrade plan, I'll click on Next. Now, for your online business, Northwest provides a 90-day free trial offer including services like a free domain, pre-built website, business phone number, and more. I don't need those currently. So I'm going to the next option. Now, here are some important items you can select and they will be added to your order. I'm selecting the BOI report, EN tax ID, phone service, and the premium operating agreement. You can remove the items in the billing section you don't need. Here is the order summary. You can see the total payment, and just like all the others, it comes with the state fee as well. Northwest charges a $39 business formation fee, but it includes a 1-year free registered agent worth $199 and a corporation formation fee of $100. So assuming you are happy with your current plan, you can go ahead and click Proceed, and then you'll need to fill out the payment information. So within a couple of minutes, we went through a process with Northwest registered agent and have successfully created our own LLC. So, if you had to pick between forming an LLC on your own terms or creating an LLC with Northwest, I feel it is a no-brainer to go with Northwest, given how much they provide for such a low amount, and they handle all of the work for you without you having to do much at all. If you don't need an LLC but still need other business services, like a registered agent, then that's okay. Once you've decided what kind of service you want, move forward with the Northwest registered agent. Simply fill out a survey, choose the plan, and there you go, you have an LLC. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time, and as always, thank you.